friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will talk about fake or duplicate Hennaveda Indigo Powder or original Hennaveda Indigo Powder. In this video I will tell you that many sellers are selling Hennaveda Indigo Powder that is fake and duplicate product, and it has nothing but a grass powder. So here in this video I will tell you with the proof that which one is original and which one is duplicate, so you can take care in future if you want to order it from some sites. So now here I will show you the page of this SMHenna. SMHenna is the producer of this indigo powder. It is the owner and it owns its trademark. So Heenaveda relates to SMHenna Industries only. So this Facebook page SMHenna, they have posted one post 10 hours back. Be aware of fake suppliers on Flipkart. They have mentioned the three sellers which are selling their products on Flipkart. They are Natural Herbs, Organic Herbs and DARGI. These three sellers were selling the product in indigo powder which named as Heenaveda Indigo Powder, but inside that the indigo powder was not there, means something else was there. The quality was not good and sometimes it was not even a indigo powder. So here I am showing you the Flipkart site where it is written that three sellers are selling the same product, SMHenna, Natural Herbs and DARGI. So here you can see the MRP given in all three is 250 rupees, and these last two are fake sellers. SMHenna have not given any authorization to other sellers to sell their products. They sell their products on their own. So these Natural Herbs and DARGI are fake sellers, and they have given a pretty good discount on these two products, which is 25% or 20%, and it attracts customers to order from them because the brand name of Heenaveda, which is not good. So here I want to aware you all that if you are going to purchase Heenaveda products, then purchase it from their site or Amazon site with the trademark of SMHenna, or you can check the SMHenna seller that it is sold by SMHenna. So here in this video you can see the left one is fake and it doesn't have vacuum packaging, and the right one is the original one, and vacuum packaging is not there in fake or duplicate indigo powder, and vacuum packaging is there in original one. So you can easily make a guess that which one is the original and which one is not. So this fake one is the not good, even quality wise it is not good. Vacuum packaging is not given. Even the gloves and shower cap is also not given, and this one is really very bad. This is grass powder only, this is nothing. And so all these points needs to be consideration when you order online Heenaveda Indigo Powder. Please check that it is sold by SMHenna. I will put the link in description box so that you can check Facebook and Flipkart pages. So I hope it would be very helpful for you, and if it helps you or it gives you some information, then please share this video as much as you can. Thanks for watching.